Good morning, children. Hope you all are prepared for your periodical too. Here I am with a social science quiz based on syllabus of periodical 2. Let's start with geography first. My first question is, which among the following are fiber crops? Millets and maize, jute and cotton, tea and coffee, rice and wheat? Yes, answer is jute and cotton. Which crop is also known as the golden fiber? Wheat, millets, jute or maize? You are correct. Answer is jute. Dash means commercial rearing of silkworm. Horticulture, pisciculture, viticulture or sericulture? Great job. Answer is sericulture. Name the type of farming practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. Yes, answer is subsistence farming. The important inputs like seeds, fertilizers, machinery, etc. form a system. Do you know what it is known as? Is it barter system, water system, farm system or all of these? Yes, answer is farm system. Which of these is not commercial farming? Commercial grain, mixed, organic, plantation? Wonderful. It's organic farming. Dash is also known as a paddy. Wheat, jowar, rice or bajra? Good. It's rice. Which type of soil is good for growing wheat? Desert, loamy, sandy or none of these? You are correct again. It is loamy soil. Which of the following countries usually practice commercial agriculture? USA, Bangladesh, India or Bhutan? Good. It's USA. Let us move towards history section. Who set up Asiatic Society of Bengal? William Jones, Henry Thomas Colebrook, Nathaniel Halhed or all of these? Good job. Answer is all of them. According to whom English education had enslaved Indian? Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose or Acharya Vinoba Bhave? Yes, answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Study of which of the following was not the purpose of setting up madrasa in Calcutta in 1781? Arabic, Sanskrit, Persian or Islamic laws? Yes, answer is Sanskrit. What type of school did Tagore want to set up? Where the child was happy, where he or she could be free and creative, he or she was able to explore her own thoughts and desire, or all of the above? Yes, answer is all of the above. Who said this? Education means all round drawing out of the best in child and man, body, mind, and spirit. Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, or none of these? Yes, answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Dash was one of the first company officials to study Sanskrit. Esther Hills, John Means, William Jones, Robert Clive. Good. Answer is William Jones. To promote Islamic law, a madrasa was set up at Dash in 1861. Is it Bombay, Calcutta, Banaras, or Lucknow? Good. It is Calcutta. Dash was introduced in India in 1835. English Education Act, Arabic Education Act, Sanskrit Education Act, or Civil Services Act? Good. Answer is English Education Act. Those who have scholarly knowledge of Asiatic languages and culture are called linguistic, orientalist, vernacularist, or munshis. Good. They are known as vernacularist. A person who can read, write, and teach Persian is known as munshi, Maulvi, Qazi, or Brahman. Good. He is known as Munshi. Dash saw India as an uncivilized society that needed to be civilized. Is it James Mill, Thomas Macaulay, Robert Clive, or Warren Hastings? Good. Answer is Thomas Macaulay. Dash was a Scottish missionary who helped to establish Srirampur Mission. Is it William Carey, Thomas Woods, Paul Derrick, or James Watt? Good. Answer is William Carey. Children, now let us move towards civics section. Which type of advocate who pleads on behalf of the accused person? Is it public prosecutor, defense lawyer, judge, or all of these? Answer is defense lawyer. What term refers to a person who is tried by a court for a crime? Accused, lawyer, detention, or fair trial? Good job. Answer is accused. What refers to any act that the law defines as a crime? Detention, offense, witness, or all of these? Good one. Answer is offense. A person who is called upon the court to provide a first-hand account of what he or she has seen, heard, or knows are known as criminal, offense, witness, or none of these. Good. Answer is witness. Who registered the FIR? Fireman, policeman, lawyer, or public prosecutor? Good one. Answer is policeman. What is the act of keeping the accused in custody by the police? Cross-examine, detention, FIR, or all of these? Right again. Answer is detention. What is the type of the advocate who pleads the cases on behalf of the government and who has been appointed by the government on permanent basis? Is it public prosecutor, private prosecutor, deed writer, or typist? Good job. Answer is public prosecutor. Article 21 of the Constitution guarantees right to speech, right to life, right to freedom, or none of the above? Good one. Answer is right to life. TK Basu guidelines include the police official should wear accurate and visible name tags with their identification. A memo of arrest should be prepared at the time of arrest. Both A and B, or none of these? Yes. Answer is both A and B. Well done, children. You have scored maximum marks. All the best for your periodical 2 exam. Goodbye.